All right, here's what's up. I'm going to do the warm-up. Remember, the warm-up has to be done before class is over if you're present in class, if you want to get credit. If you were absent and you're watching this later, by all means, still do it. Thanks. All right, so we're going to create a 2D array with random rows and columns. The rows has to be between 5 and 20 inclusive, and the columns have to be between 3 and 7 inclusive. So let's do this. Int array equals new int. I'm going to say RR and CC. And then in hindsight, I'm going to create those variables. You could put it all in one line, but I'm going to say int RR equals, and we're going to do a random statement, int math.random times some number plus some number. Okay, so let's look again. What do we got here? Between 5 and 20. So I'm just going to write it. 20 minus 5 plus 1. That's how you do it. It's the big number minus the smaller number plus 1. So 20 minus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. We could just write 16 there, but I'm just going to leave it like this so you can see. And then you do plus the first number, the starting number. So that'll give us the number of rows. I'm going to copy that thing and paste it. I'm not going to forget to change that to CC. And then we have 7 and 3. 7 minus 3 plus 1. That would be 5. You could put a 5 there, but you could also write this. I'm just showing you how we got there. And then it's not plus 5, it's plus 3. Because remember, it goes from 3 to 7. That's always the starting number there. Okay, so this creates the array. And then I want you to fill it with the numbers 300 moving downwards. And then I want you to print it. So I'm just going to write print array nums here. Oh, it's not nums, it's ARR. Okay, and then here, to fill it with those numbers, I'm going to make a separate variable that starts at 300, and I'll just subtract 1 each time we put 1 in an element. So I'm going to say int val equals 300, and then I'm going to do a for loop. Int r equals 0, r less than ARR dot length. That's how many rows there are. R plus plus. And for int c equals 0, c less than ARR 0 dot length. That's how many columns there are. And then we're going to say ARR row column equals val. Whew. Know what just happened, but it was not good. Equals val, and then val minus minus, right? So the first number, it'll get 300, then it'll get 299, etc. So this should do it. I'm going to run it. And we've got a 5 by I don't know how many, and it starts at 300 and goes down. So I'm going to run it again to make sure I get different numbers. It might still be 5 columns, but nope. So here we go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. So yeah, obviously it turned out differently, and that's enough for me. So you should test yours, make sure yours goes, different things.